Good afternoon, folks. Big Bo here with another great toy hauler value from Parkway RV Center. Today we're looking at, just came in, a 2016 Jayco Octane. This is a travel trailer toy hauler. The model number is a 273, about 31 feet long total. Dry weight, just like it sits right now, is 6,475 pounds and cargo carrying capacity of 3,474. So you got about 3,500 pound cargo carrying capacity. Something the previous owners have done is they have installed a portable generator on the front, a little 4 kW Champion. This is more of a construction type generator, not an RV generator, so it is pretty loud. But it does have it, and it's an electric start too. It's got its own built-in fuel tank and all that. So of course, we can take that off if you don't want it, that's no problem, but it is installed on the front in case you have a need for it. But looking down the sides, folks, nice and clean. You see the striping, the finish looks great. Alloy wheels, outside shower, got DSI water heater, of course, side mount, roof ladder. Of course, tires don't look like it's hardly been towed much, and it probably hasn't from the looks of it. Got a power tongue jack, stabilizer jacks. Of course, can't really show it to you the best in the world with this fence right here. Got a nice ramp door, and the good thing about it, this one's got the 7.5 foot tall interior ceilings, which is unusual for this class toy hauler in 2016. Most of them had the 6.5, but which is great for side-by-sides, razors, things like that. Of course, twin LP bottles on the front. Got the fiberglass cap on the front. Looks great. No delamination. Power awning. Outside speakers. Pretty well equipped. Of course, Jayco. 80% of Jayco's workforce are either Amish or Mennonite, so you can imagine the quality that goes into each and every Jayco product. And this was pre-Thor merger, so this is actually a Jayco built product, not one that they built after they merged with Thor, which was later in 2016. 273, let's look inside. And folks, I don't have any power. I'm just doing quick videos on these till further notice, so let's go through it real quick. You got a removable table here in the back, and you have a sofa that also folds up flat against the wall that makes a bed, so you can sleep 2 people back here. It's an 8x8 garage bay from this countertop right here to the edge of the door. Of course, table and chairs are removable. You can put them out of the way. It's got a small dovetail right here, makes it easier to load and unload. Got the spray in bed liner material on the ramp door for better traction and stain resistant. And you can see, folks, hardly any signs of loading toys in and out of this camper. You've got a fold down screen. So on a real pretty day, you can lower this ramp door down, put you some steel cables on it, or put you some blocks under it. Have you a back porch, put the screen down to keep the bugs out. Got pop out vents in here as well. So it's 8x8 from the edge of the kitchen countertop to the back of the door, and it's roughly 10x8, or excuse me, 10 feet from the back door to the front of the refrigerator. So you got a lot of space in here, and you'll like that 7.5 foot ceiling. Got the 13,500 BTU roof air. Dometic 2-way RV refrigerator freezer, runs off propane or electric, and it's clean. Your stainless steel appliances is a nice touch too. You got a high point microwave, 2-burner stove top, and of course your refrigerator, sink. Everything here looks great, folks. No carpet, except just a little bit in the bedroom. That's it. So easy to keep clean. You got tie downs everywhere. Got a nice little closet right here, inside speakers, LED lights. Walk through here, you've got a side bathroom that you can enter in from the hallway or from the bedroom. And I'm a little low light in here, I apologize, but you do have a glassed-in shower. Thanks to that 7.5 foot ceiling, you don't have need for a skylight, which, trust me folks, You'll thank me for that later, because trust me, you can get away without one. That's the best thing to do. Sink, medicine cabinet, RV toilet right here in the corner, and of course your bedroom you can get to from the bathroom or the hallway, and you've got a queen island bed, leather headboard, hardwood cabinets. This is all Amish installed. I mean, hardwood cabinets, so you know it's good quality. Sliding door for privacy instead of a curtain. Just a neat little, well, I guess 31 foot wouldn't really be considered a little toy hauler, but it's a good medium-sized toy hauler. It's in range of most half-ton pickup trucks, even loaded with your toy. Of course, I always want to verify what your truck can tow with our handy-dandy tow guide on our website, parkwayrvcenter.com, and you can type in your truck's information. It'll tell you what your truck's rated to tow, or SUV, or whatever you're going to tow with. Of course, always verify that with your vehicle dealer before making a final decision to buy an RV based on that tow guide. In other words, it's deemed reliable but not guaranteed. But here's the thing, folks. This thing's only $19,900, and it includes a 90-day nationwide limited warranty that goes into effect the day you pick it up or the day you have it delivered. And you can't beat that, because here's the thing. If you bought this thing brand new 3 years ago, it was $33,000, $34,000. All right. You paid 10%. Say you paid $4,000 down. Financed it. Paid on it for 3 years. You still owe 25, 26 grand. No warranty. Here it is for $19,900 with a warranty, and you get that added generator if you want it, which can come in handy if you're going to do some boondock camping. And all that's included for $19,900 plus tax out the door. No games, gimmicks, trouble, or surprises. $19,900, you're going to get a fully functional 2016 Jayco Octane 273. If you want to see the extensive 4-page checkout sheet that we make every RV we sell go through, go to my website, parkwayrvcenter.com. Click on the individual listing, and you'll see a thing there that says what we inspect for option A price. Click on that. You'll be impressed, folks. I mean, we really go through these, done after purchase, so please understand, if you want it checked out and get the warranty and all that, you can't take it home the same day you pay for it. But if you want to know how long it'll take, and it shouldn't be long at all for this little toy hauler, medium-sized toy hauler, contact us, folks, and my salespeople will give you a current lead time for a travel trailer toy hauler checkout. This is a nice rig, no smoke, no pet odors. And remember, basically, folks, for $19,900 you get a fully functional 16 octane 273 ready to take to the campground. You don't have to worry about taking it to a repair shop. You don't have to worry about taking it to an RV dealer to have everything inspected. Everything's done, checked, cleaned up, inside and out, ready to go with a 90-day nationwide limited warranty included for $19,900. Easy, simple, done. Haggle free, of course. On top of that, top of the warranty, on top of the inspection, you also get an RV orientation that's done after service and cleanup. RV Tech checked it out, knows it better than anybody. He's going to walk through this RV with you, show you how to operate everything, answer any questions you have, show you any repairs he had to make, and you can record them with your phone or camera too. That's included for $19,900. You also get 21 nights of free camping, up to 7 nights at a time, at select RV resorts nationwide, to be used in a 12-month period. Also included for $19,900. You get a starter kit with all your camping essentials: sewer hose, water hose, pressure reducer, adapters, chemicals, and more. $100 worth of stuff that you normally have to buy when you buy a used RV from other dealerships, included for $19,900, as well as your drive-out tag and a couple of DVDs to watch as well. So it's pretty much all inclusive, $19,900 plus tax. That's it. If you want to know how much your sales tax will be, when and where you have to pay it, it varies on where you live and how you pay for it. Contact your salespeople, and they will also give you a sales tax estimate as well. If you got any questions, folks, give us a call, 706-965-7929. Please call before coming to look to verify availability. We've got a huge selection, over 150 plus used RVs, everything from toy haulers, motorhomes, fifth wheels, camper vans, anything you can think of, folks. I probably got it out here on the lot. and I've got the largest selection of used RVs in a 500-mile radius in one location, right here for you to come look at. Open 6 days a week, Monday through Saturday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday through Friday Eastern Time sharp, 9 to 5 Eastern sharp on Saturday. Closed for Sunday, folks, for Lord and Family Day, so we don't open up for Sunday for anybody. But anyway, folks, this is a nice little toy hauler. Come out and look. I got a great selection of used toy haulers right now. For a lot of these are half off or more what they cost new just a few short years ago. And if you'd bought them new, there's no way you could afford to sell these for what I'm selling them for if you bought them new and financed them. But anyway, folks, give us a call, 706-965-7929. Make sure you check out my website, parkwayrvcenter.com, to see that list, as well as see exact measurements, specs, pictures, factory sales brochure, a floor plan, finance applications, trade-in appraisal forms, and much more is on our website, parkwayrvcenter.com. Or if you're watching this video on YouTube, go to the item description or video description, and there'll be a link in the first couple sentences. Click on that link. It takes you to my used toy hauler page. A lot to choose from, folks. We're located at 5568 Battlefield Parkway in Ringgold, Georgia. We're 10 miles south of Chattanooga, Tennessee. We're 120 miles north of Atlanta. We're off Interstate 75, exit number 350 in northwest Georgia. Get off the exit, turn west. We're a mile on your left. Easy to find, hard to beat. 51 years in business, folks. One of the oldest, largest, and most successful independently owned used RV dealerships in the United States today. We sell 500 to 600 used RVs a year. We have no surprise fees, no games, no gimmicks, no haggling, no commission salespeople. So we pretty much eliminated everything that everybody hates about buying any kind of used vehicle from a dealer. Haggle free, includes all that stuff. All those benefits. If you don't want those benefits, we will give you a little bit of a discount and give you an option B as is price. Contact us for details on that. 706-965-7929. Sales at parkwayrvcenter.com is our email. Parkwayrvcenter.com is our website. Make sure you check it out. A lot of nice features, a lot more information than what's on the YouTube video. Thank you again, and look forward to seeing you here in beautiful Ringgold, Georgia.